Okay, put down your phone for 1 second. Seriously, because the device you're holding, the one glued to your hand, is at the center of a secret global shift that's going to change everything for you. You think you know where your tech comes from. Think again. For years, one country dominated. We all knew the label. But what if I told you that reality is dead? Breaking news in America right now. For every 3 smartphones sold, 1 is made in India. Let that blow your mind for a second. 1 in 3. This isn't a future prediction. This is happening right now. Remember when if you bought 100 phones in the US, a mind-boggling 80 were from China. 2%. Well, China's share has crashed to just 49%. In India, from barely a blip on the radar, we've exploded to 36% of the entire US smartphone market. We're talking billions of dollars, jobs, and power shifting before our eyes. The untold story. How India is doing the impossible so. How did India pull off this manufacturing miracle? This isn't just about cheap labor, folks. This is a story of strategic genius and unwavering ambition. India didn't just invite the Apples and Samsungs of the world. We put down a gauntlet. We said, come here, we'll support you. But by 2028, 30% of that iPhone's value, it has to be made in India. Not just assembled, made. This isn't about simply screwing parts together. This is about building a complete ecosystem. Chips, screens, cameras, all made right here. It's creating millions of high-skilled jobs, empowering our engineers, and proving to the world that India is ready to be the next global factory floor. For the last 20 years, China built the world's tech. For the next 20, that's India's role. The plot twist, the man who could stop it all, or will he? Now, every hero's journey has its villain, or at least its major obstacle. And in this story, it's a very familiar face, Donald Trump. He wants iPhones made in America, period. And he's threatened to hit Apple with a massive 25% tariff if they dare manufacture iPhones in India and sell them in the US. Think about that. A quarter of the price added just for choosing India. This isn't just a political soundbite. It's a direct, billion-dollar threat. He's saying, put America first, even if it means throwing a wrench in the gears of global trade. We want you to put America first. You have to do it. It's all yes. But here's the burning question. Can one man, even a powerful one, stop a nation's rise? India's momentum is undeniable. This isn't just a simple trade negotiation. It's a battle for the future of global industry.